Okay, so now we're going to use the song that we just sang to help us to have a place value chart that we can look at when we need to go back in and look at it. So right here in your notebook on the very first page, we're going to draw a place value chart. Okay. And so we're going to sing that song to ourselves that we sang earlier. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. And now here's my next verse. Million, 10 million, 100 million, million, 10 million, 100 million, million, 10 million, 100 million. Boy, that's a billion. So I'm going to put a B right there. So if you need to, pause the video so you can get all of this into your notebook and get your headings in there, because you will use these when we get ready to do our examples. Now let's go on to our first example. And here is my first example. I'm going to write this number down, and I'm going to use my steps over here. I'm going to label my place value. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. All right. So I'm going to underline that 8. And I want to know, what's the value, or how much is that 8 worth? Well, I'm going to do a step here, and I want you to follow the steps along with me. Remember, pause the video if you need to at any time to write your things down in your notebook, because these things got to be in your notebook. I'm going to draw an arrow now. I'm going to put an 8 here. Now, I want you to go through and I want you to circle how many numbers you see after the 8. All right, so how many circles do you see? I see 3 circles. That means I need to put 3 zeros. And now I need to come back and put my comma. My comma goes after every third number starting from the ones. So 1, 2, 3, comma. So the value of that 8 is 8,000. The value of just that 8. In the next video, you'll watch me do quite a few more examples that you need to do in your notebook before you go on to do your independent practice.